So how do you empty the WhatsApp storage on your iPhone? Let me talk about it. And if this is your first time here on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so that way you'll never miss anything important. So of course, when you check out your iPhone settings, general and the storage, you can see how much the actual app is taken up and how much it's taken up by the actual messages and all of the attachments and stuff like that, right? So yeah, you can basically see it right there. But personally, what I would do is that I would make sure I don't lose access to my photos and all of the chats, right? So within WhatsApp, you have the ability to back it up. So you can go there, go to the settings, and a part of the chats, you can see that you can literally either export chats, right? So if you have something which you most definitely want to export and save, you can do that. But you can also have the backup. Just click on backup now, and you'll see that it will be backed up to the cloud. And yeah, you can also include videos if you don't want to lose those. But the point is that then we can delete the application, right? Perhaps wait a little bit and then reinstall it back from the App Store. And this will cause the storage to go down. Naturally, the app itself will again take up the same amount of storage because it's just how much is required. But the actual files are basically not going to be there because you just start fresh. And yeah, you have still access to your photos and like chats because they are backed up on the cloud. So that is a nice way to reset it and get the fresh start on WhatsApp storage. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work. As I said, make sure you back up everything so you do not lose access. But that would be it from me. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, and I'll catch you later in the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one.